Okay, so this red and black cable right here on the right side of the board goes to the power supply. Right there to right there. This little red and black that's tied to this gray with the little blue, they go back to the waste ink pump and they connect right here. These three right here, small one blue facing me, middle big one blue facing away, and last big one blue facing me as well. Those are the print head cables. I call them the print head 3. Then you got this cable right here. It branches off into 3 sections. So it starts off over here, there, on this small board. Comes over here, and it branches off into 3 sections. You got this piece, that piece, and the middle piece. The black one goes in the middle. Red on top, black right below it, and looks like white, maybe gray, the bigger one below, next to the black. So that's this cable. Next, you have this little cable right here. This little cable, small cable that runs to here. Next up, you got this cable. Got these stripes on it. Flat. This is a cable that goes to your controls. It gets taped all the way around. Eventually comes to the control panel. So it's that cable right there. Branches off right there. Plugs in right there. Then you have this cable here. Right there. Goes across. I'm just lost in the shuffle here, but it actually goes right there. Right here. So that should be it as far as already disconnected. Our cable that plugs into the computer goes in there. I've also disconnected the power cord, which is here. I believe that's it. Good gander at that. So once we unplug this, I'm going to label these print head cables from this side. Force be with me. I think I'm going to need it. Once I unplug these,